The first customer case is one of our oldest customers, plastics production company. So basically, the initial need was to understand in a detailed way existing energy flows because plastic intrusion process, it is highly energy intensive, and they wanted to understand what's the consumption for different processes for different needs. They wanted to optimize the energy costs, of course, but one of the main things was the possibility to report energy efficiency improvements, because without such knowledge, they weren't able to understand which processes to optimize, how to get efficiency improvements, etc. And as a result of energy management system, so we installed a couple of 30 or 40 sensors for the data gathering. And already after first few months, they were able to understand the energy flows of 90% of the total consumption. And thanks to that, they were able to not only find the possibility to decrease their costs by 6,000 euros on a monthly basis, but they were able to extract the data from the system and provide to their in-house sustainability manager, who then later processed the data and created these reports.